moving on to our next chapter, which is health, hygiene and cleanliness. Now, what is the definition of health? Health, it is defined as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and which is not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. The physical health and mental health, they are both interrelated, and a sound mind in a sound body is an old and appropriate saying for good health. Now, avoiding cold drinks is one of the mechanisms with which we can maintain a good health. Next is a healthy human beings. They have certain generally following features. What are the various features which a healthy human being possess? Which is a clear skin, bright clear eyes, a body which is neither too fat nor too thin, fresh breath, good appetite, sound sleep, regular activity of bladder and bowels and coordinated body movements. Next is various practices of good hygiene, which include washing our hands properly, good hygiene basics and eating good food. What is hygiene? Hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help in maintaining health and prevent the spread of diseases. Medical hygiene therefore includes a specific set of practices which is associated with the preservation of health. What is public hygiene? Sewage and chemical waste should not be released into water bodies. Sewage should be chemically treated first before being released into water bodies to avoid waterborne diseases. So this is a public hygiene. Immunization and vaccination, they can even help in preventing infectious diseases. Personal hygiene, which includes taking care of skin, keeping hands and nails clean, washing hair regularly, brushing teeth and gums after every meal, washing eye daily with tap water, and nose must be clean at regular intervals, never clean an ear with a sharp object. So these are various practices of a personal hygiene. Next is, what is a healthy environment? Healthy environment, to maintain a healthy environment and to prevent the spread of diseases due to breeding of mosquitoes, houseflies and microorganisms. Garbage should be kept in covered bins so that flies do not breed on them. Also, do not allow water to stagnate outside your house and in your neighborhood. All drains should also be covered. This will avoid breeding of mosquitoes. There should be proper sewer lines connected to sewage treatment plants. Next is contamination of drinking water with a little amount of feces, example human excreta, they cause a number of diseases. So this is how we should actually help in maintaining a healthy environment. These are various causes of which results in creating a mess to this healthy environment. Now next are eating healthy food. These are various practices in which we can maintain a good health and a healthy environment as well. What is the importance of maintaining a good health? It improves personality. It makes people admire at you. If you are clean, the action is also clean from you, and it makes the environment clean. Easy flow of verbal communications and discussions. It helps to improve hygiene in you. It enhances self-discipline, and people learn from you about your secret of success, and you are the winner in the competitive work life. So this is why we actually need to maintain a proper healthy environment and a proper hygiene.